Hey drip droppers, is finding the right color the hardest thing for you? I know it is for me, choosing the right colors. So I'm going to start a color palette series where we test different color palettes and then I post them up and you can use those color palettes if you want. So today what we're going to try is yesterday's color palette because it came out really cool, but we're going to try it with black cell activator or white cell activator just to see what the difference is. All right, so I got Sherwin Williams Tricorn black color to go on here. And this is all the paint I have left of this Tricorn black. So hopefully we've got enough on here. We're gonna put the same paints on each, but we're gonna do a different cell activator just to see the difference. All right, so I've got my color order here. Now, I don't know about you, but I actually make a list of the order I wanna go in. So we're gonna start out with this Arteza Pearl Green. It's a metallic, and I'm using up extra paint that I have in my arsenal, especially if it's already made. I want to use it again sooner. And I track all this. I don't know about you, but I'm a business owner, so I track it all. All right, I'm an art business owner. Okay, Royal Purple. All right. I track it all in Trello is what I use. I even track in there when I'm going to be doing the next step to it. So, you know, when I'm gonna be, as it's how long it took to dry, when I'm gonna resin it, all of that. Okay, Pearl. Okay, so we're gonna put on a little bit of this Arteza Pearl. Now I got a little bit of black in it yesterday when my stick touched the black. So we're doing Arteza Gray. Or I guess that's a golden paint. I'll put it up on the screen for you. Okay, next is Twinkle. So magical. This Twinkle is just so magical. I love this color. Okay. All right, and then Arteza Gold is next. This is in the metallic series too. We're gonna do the same on each one. All right. And then Pebeo's Iridescent Red Blue. This is actually, yesterday was the first time I used this color. I love it. Try to kind of do it the same way, kind of blop it on the same way. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put white cell activator on one, so white cell activator here, and black cell activator here. And we're gonna see what differences happen. And I'm just gonna use my little blower here. Just right here. And yes, I'm using just a hairdryer today. Yes, I'm using just a hairdryer today. And you can see it's making cells on both. Give it a little spin here. They're both going. We'll give them a little spin. With both of them, we have a little bit of extra cell activator, so we can use our little straw to see what we can do with that. I'll bring up a few more cells. See the new cells appearing? Because you're pushing that cell activator down into the other paint. Nice. All right, and then I like to give a little embellishment. I actually really like this one just like this. But I'm gonna give it a little kind of embellishment twirl here. I'm going to do it before I spin it, so I've got paint to do it with. Just going to go right down the sides with it. Yeah. And we're going to do the same thing here. And let's just see how they look when we spin them a little more. Wow, what a difference the cell activator makes. Wow, wow, wow. Let's put a little more embellishment on. I feel like this one, maybe we could give, especially this one just needs a little color over there. All right, and then over here, same thing, so that we're doing the same thing on each. Curly cues, right? A few curly cues on. All right, let's spin again. Ooh, it's great. There we go. I knew they'd both fit on here. Wow. I think maybe the black is my favorite now. I can't decide. Wow. All right, so I have both of them done now, and I'm gonna show you both color palettes. You can see here that the black one, lots of shimmer, beautiful. Remember, we did both of these with the exact same paints, only difference is the cell activator. This silver really pops on this one, and you can see that the cells are very well defined. All right, and then I'm going to show you the white one too. Also some well-defined cells, but a little more lacing, I'd say, a little less silver with this one. Both are really good though. So what I'm going to do, on my thumbnail, I'm going to put a little check mark, which helps you know this is a great color palette. And then I'll put the color palette here at the end, just a list of the colors for you. You could take a picture with your cell phone if you want to do that. And I'm going to try to do that at the end of all my videos. Because I think the hardest part is choosing the right color palette. So when we find good ones, I think we should share them amongst our painting community. So hey, it was great having you today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please watch the content, subscribe. That would really help me get my channel going. I call it Grandma's YouTube channel, and I'm off right now to go babysit my little twin granddaughters. So I'll see you later and take care. Bye.